propagate African violet by leaf cutting. I have tried different way of propagating African violet, and I try putting in the soil and just stick it in the mix of soil, and I tried several different way, and I find that the best way that I can get almost 100% is by putting it in water and let it grow in water. This one is coming out of number 23, and I have this leaf in the water for about probably 6 to 8 weeks, and it start, if you see there it start growing babies already at the end of it. I want to let it grow a little bit more before I pulling it out and put it in a pot, and I like it to be grow about like this one. This actually come out from a tiny little leaf, but have two of them in water. It's probably actually screaming, pot me, like that. But I'm going to do on this one, just follow the path of this one. So it is going to be several video, and you may say, why don't you just do this one, pot this one, because it's ready to go. But well, it's easy to just I can just show you what's the path going to be. It's going to be like that. If I pot it, I put in the soil like that, and it can grow like that. When it's grow up some more, I put in a bigger pot and let it grow like that. And after a while, I put it in a bigger pot when it start to grow more, and it be something like that. And then it can be, and then let it grow in that pot until it big like that. This is the mother leaf. There are actually 2 of them. They're number 3. And actually just keep growing there, and kind of I did this in winter time. I just try to see how well it will how well I can do that in winter, because winter is tough. Right now, if you're going to do it, it start right now in spring. You don't have that much problem. Then you separate it and then put it in a pot like that, and let it grow some more. Put in a bigger pot like that. And then it becomes something like that. So, but for every one of these, it is not really happen nice and neat, like I say. There are always some exception, anomaly, chaos theory. Something happened that you have to overcome. And so it's, I think it'd be more fun. I mean, to do it, just follow a path of this one. And I'm going to do this in a couple of weeks. When it gets bigger, then I will be potting it. And you can start that. you can start that yourself, and we just follow each other. And what I like to do, this one, I just actually just start putting it in. What I like to do, if you're going to cut the leaf, a lot of textbook case will tell you, well, you cut the leaf and you cut about an inch away from the leaf, and then you put in water or put in the soil. But I find out the most effective way is, see if I can show to you. I will cut that close to the neck as possible. If you see, there's a neck in there. And if you want, if you cut it and then cut it close to the neck as possible, and cut about 45 degrees on that, and then stick it in the water. What I find out is that if you cut it way up, when you get a leaf like that and you cut it way up, maybe an inch away from it, that's an inch away from it, you stick it in the water, it grows roots forever, and it may give you a babies, but it take a long time. But if you cut it close to the neck there, those cells right there, the plant cell in there, are more active and more likely to give you a baby plant. So like this one, I just cut it pretty close to the neck, and cut it 45 degrees and put in the water, and you have better chance of having a healthy baby plant grow out of it in 6 to 8 weeks. Right now it's in spring, you may get it even earlier. And so this is an introduction, and we're going to see what's going to happen. And this is the one I'm going to use. Have to wait about another 2 weeks and let them grow a little bit more. Okay, thank you for watching.